I've had a taste of how you feel it, yeah.